Hello and welcome to Josh's Recordings. Today we're going to be reviewing this JBL by Harman Flip 3 portable Bluetooth speaker. So first, let's get to our unboxing. To open the box, it just comes out open like that. Here's the speaker, and here's our manuals. And it does come with a charging port, but it's in the house right now. So anyway. Speaker connects over Bluetooth to your phone, and we're going to find out how loud it is, and we're also going to find out what the sound quality is thanks to our little ZOOM H2n handy recorder. So let me switch over to the audio to that. Alright, now everything is being recorded with my ZOOM H2n handy recorder. So, first let me turn the product on. I'm going to move my ZOOM H2n over to where the camera is. That way it's out of the shot of the camera. And we can see the speaker and the ZOOM H2n. Or not the ZOOM H2n. So, first I'm just going to play a song that I was able to play on YouTube before and not get in trouble for playing it. And that would be, I'm not going to play very long of it, but that'd be this one right here. So that's 3 seconds of that, and you can see it's pretty loud. Let's pull up some no copyright sounds, and I'll be right back. Let me focus the camera down a little bit more. There we go. Okay, and we're back with some no copyright sounds stuff. So. Max bottom of the speaker. Yep. Max volume. like these passive radiators. Okay, let's play something else. I'll play another copyright song, but I'll only play it for a little while. Alright, these two songs do pretty quickly. You can probably talk over them because they are copyrighted, so I'm just gonna play a short bit of each. Because there's a lot of styles that no copyright sounds don't have.
I drop in with my face to the wind, spin 180 for the win, but I can't find my feet, it's like I lost the beat.
So yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see.
Last night got a little crazy, I don't remember. Woke up, spun with the pasties. My friends say I was tweaked out. Passed.
So yeah, let's go back to new copyright sounds and see what else we can find on there. That'll be good. volume, it loses the bass. See how there's a lot more bass now, with the volume a lot lower. And you notice how the actual overall sound doesn't go up a whole lot. The speaker claims a frequency response from 85 hertz to I think it was 20 kilohertz, which is pretty impressive for a speaker its size. Yep, 85 hertz, 20 kilohertz. Alrighty, so my recommendation on this here speaker. Would I recommend it as a good Bluetooth portable speaker to buy? I only paid like 40 bucks for the speaker. I got it on a really nice sale. But if you can find it, I'd say it's definitely worth the 80 bucks that it normally retails for. Even if it were going up to 100, if you can find it for less than 100 bucks, it's a really nice speaker, especially for its size. There are not many speakers that are this small that can produce such a good sound. Yeah, so if you can find it, go for it. It's a lovely little speaker. Definitely recommend it way over the Brookstone one, just because the Brookstone one failed. And this one is much higher quality. It weighs a lot more. You got these lovely pass radiators that actually have a huge amount of excursion on them. So yeah, if you're in the market for a new Bluetooth speaker, definitely give the JBL Flip 3 a serious consideration. It also has the flattest sound out of all the JBL Bluetooth speakers. If you want to go up to the JBL Charge, that also I think would probably be a really good speaker. It has a huge boost in mid-range bass and a huge boost in high treble. So it's up to you. What do you like? And that's what this speaker will provide. As you can see, it sounds great. I hope that translated well through your headphones. We are using a professional ZOOM H2n recorder to record all of the audio. Audio is raw and unedited. So yeah, let me know what you think.
This is the end of my show.